Goddamn, I smoke good. I just picked it off the tree.
Hey, yo, what's going on, guys? Trinity or B Trinity here, bringing you another episode. In this episode, we are going to be doing the Google Maps fishing challenge. So, me and my buddy are going to start off from my house, and we're going to drive up to a place that's about 3 hours away. Our starting point is going to be Mille Lacs Lake, and then we're going to work our way around. We're going to work our way around Mille Lacs, and then we're going to work our way to some rivers and some other surrounding waters and see what we can catch. If you guys can see this, the big blue area is all Mille Lacs. So the big blue area is Mille Lacs, and then all the little blue area to the right of the big one is all other places where we can fish. So we're just gonna stop at a bunch of places, see where Google Maps can bring us. Google Maps is an awesome app on your phone that you can use to find fish. Google Maps and FishBrain is usually what I use to find new fishing spots. Yeah, let's see how this goes. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Catch you next video. Peace. Look at that beetle spin. I got more. Tons of fish. Oh, I missed one already. Got one, got one. Let's go. First fish of the night's a decent sized sunfish. First fish of the day, a little sunfish, not bad. This water's so clear. Watch this. This water is so clear. Oh, dude, this is a pumpkin seed. There he goes. Biggest sunny of the day. Nice. I don't mind catching sunnies. Oh, I got something big. Get out of there. I don't know. He jumped like a bass. He's out of there now. Dude, if that's a smallmouth, this is my PB smallmouth. Nice. Shut up, dude. Wow. Please? No. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. If I land this fish, I'm getting in the water. I don't even care. Oh my God. Oh my God. Stay on. Please. Grab it. Please grab that fucking thing. Don't grab the hook. Grab the hook. God. Oh my fucking God. Oh my 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 God. Look at this fish. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. Look at this fish. Look at this fish. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's a river giant. Huge smallmouth. Oh my God. Oh, I'm shaking right now. I'm shaking. Fish. Look at the size of this fish, dude. Oh my God.
20 and a half.
20 and a half inches.
Yeah.
20 and a half inch smallmouth right here. Did you grab my phone? was insane. I'm still speechless. Yeah, that was over 20-inch fish. My second biggest smallmouth in my life. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. So we are currently fishing Mille Lacs Lake. The blue dot is where I'm at. So what we're doing, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. We're just going around and looking for different places that we can fish around the lake. The first spot was not even on Mille Lacs Lake. It was a river that was split in between. So there's a big state park right here, and there's a river that there's a lake right here that splits off and then runs into a river, and we fish right at the split. And now we're fishing the side of Mille Lacs. I'm gonna go get back down there, catch another fish. I got one. Yeah, I do. What the fuck? I lost it. If I had thicker line, bro. I just cast on a frog too. Oh my god. Oh, I got him again. Oh, dude. Let's go. Not a bad one. Dude, he ain't too big in length, but he is fat. Look at that belly. Let's go. So I'm standing really far back in some grass. I gotta throw him in, but he'll be fine. Boom. All right, so we just got to the next spot, and this spot is off of up here. We're gonna be fishing this whole wall, goes all the way across over there. It's really shallow on the edge with a lot of rocks, but it leads out to a weed line, so hopefully we can run into a few nice fish out there. I'll get back to you if we catch a fish. Alright, right on that weed line. Just burnt the balls out of my finger. Alright. Look how far that dock goes out. Oh, I got some. I got some. Oh my god. I got some all the way up at this pier. Oh my god. No way, dude. No way. Let's go. Oh, he's in the rocks. Come on. I'm just gonna do it. If I lose him, so what? Oh, let's go, dude. Let's go. Yes. Beautiful smell. Look how healthy he is, dude. Let's go. Yeah. Second smallmouth of the trap. It's not that far of a drop. I'll just throw him back in. He'll be fine. Yeah. Boom. Swam right away. Let's go. If you guys enjoyed that video, please leave a like and subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.